Hey guys, what's happening? How to fill out a PDF on iPhone. So go ahead to your files, right? And select the file where you want to basically add your information. So this is my graduation certificate, right? So I can click the markup right here at the bottom left, or used to be bottom middle. So now bottom left, and I can select my pencil and then type whatever I want, right? Like this, whatever. I could zoom out and add signature or whatever, okay? Or you can select a blank area where you can basically type in your text, right? So highlighted in blue, right? I can type right here something like, hi, my name is Amar, right? You can see I typed it like this, right? And it will appear on the certificate. If you want to delete it, you can just go ahead and delete it. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.